Hello, in this video we're gonna check all accessories that comes with WORX WX100 cordless drill driver. And first let's open the box. Inside, first thing is a carry bag. It looks like this. Then there's the instructions, warranties and other papers, so you might need them. Battery charger. Battery itself. Then there's a drill. And we also have this box. Inside you'll find the additional bit that you get with that drill, and the thing that you can attach to your wall to hang this drill from the wall. There's also the screw to actually screw it in. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.